What if Mercedes-Benz decided to redefine luxury travel forever? Imagine this, not a car, not a bus, but a living, breathing masterpiece of motion. A machine that doesn't just take you places, but transforms every mile into an experience of art, power, and precision. Welcome back to NeuroDrive, the channel where design meets imagination. Don't forget to subscribe because today we're stepping inside something extraordinary, the Mercedes-Benz Futuristic Motorhome, a rolling icon of elegance, engineering, and innovation that, at first glance, it's almost unreal, a shimmering metallic giant resting under the desert sun. The body, finished in metallic graphite gray, stretches long and low across the horizon, every curve sculpted for aerodynamic perfection. The Mercedes-Benz three-pointed star glows proudly at the front, embedded in a wide, chrome-accented grille that blends power with elegance. The headlights, sharp, focused, and beautifully minimalist, slice through the light like precision instruments. The desert sky reflects across the body's satin sheen, and those 8 polished alloy wheels, each carrying the iconic Mercedes design language, glint like jewelry in motion. As the camera glides closer, you notice the subtleties, the slightly lowered bonnet, the delicate chrome detailing, the LED light strips tracing the silhouette, glowing softly against the warm desert tones. This is not just another vehicle, it's a statement of what happens when performance meets presence. The engineers behind it imagine a mobile penthouse, one that carries the DNA of a Maybach and the soul of a grand tourer, and then the power comes alive. Underneath its elegant shell sits a twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 hybrid engine, delivering nearly 700 horsepower of combined electric and combustion energy. It's paired with an advanced 9-speed automatic system that glides seamlessly through gears, offering torque on demand and efficiency when you need serenity. Even though it weighs nearly 15 tons, the motorhome surges forward like a private jet taxiing for takeoff, smooth, composed, and impossibly silent. The electric drive handles city speeds effortlessly, while the hybrid system kicks in for open highway power. Mercedes engineers call it whisper motion. You'll call it pure magic. Now the cinematic view shifts, the sun dips lower, and the camera moves to the rear. The taillights form elegant vertical LED lines, glowing softly as if breathing with the machine. The Mercedes emblem shines under the desert's golden light, symbolizing not just mobility, but timeless prestige. Side compartments reveal their function: hidden storage panels, luggage bays, and slide-out modules that extend the living space once you're parked. Each motion is motorized, smooth, and whisper quiet, like a luxury yacht deploying its decks. Step inside, and the atmosphere changes entirely. The outside world fades, replaced by a sanctuary of calm sophistication. The main lounge feels like a first-class suite, wrapped in soft beige and matte gray tones, accented with brushed metal trims and ambient LED lighting that glows gently in blue. 2 plush leather sofas sit across from each other, facing a sleek retractable dining table finished in dark wood and glass. Panoramic tinted windows line both sides, filtering in natural desert sunlight, creating warmth and depth. The air feels calm, conditioned not just for comfort but for ambience. Every element in this space carries a whisper of Mercedes design. The symmetry, the precision, the craftsmanship that feels almost invisible but deeply present. The materials are real. Leather, wood, metal, glass. No gimmicks, no excess. The floor glows softly along the edges, adding visual weight to the floating surfaces. Even the light feels intentional, casting shadows that accentuate curves and textures. It's less of an interior, more of an experience, like stepping into the living room of the future. Walk down the corridor, and the lights respond as you move. Ahead lies the bedroom suite, a private space crafted for peace. A queen-size bed floats elegantly at the center, framed by panoramic side windows that reveal the fading light of the desert outside. The bedding is white with subtle metallic threads, the pillows soft, the headboard trimmed in leather and chrome. Above, the ceiling glows with thin LED lines, simulating starlight. As the evening deepens, the desert horizon fades into soft silhouettes, and the ambient lights shift automatically from blue to warm amber, an intelligent lighting transition designed to align with your body's circadian rhythm. Next to the bedroom, behind a sleek sliding door, sits the bathroom, compact but luxurious. A glass-enclosed rainfall shower, marble-textured walls, stainless fixtures, and a backlit floating vanity mirror create the illusion of a luxury hotel suite compressed into perfection. Even here, Mercedes engineers have thought of every detail: anti-fog glass, temperature memory settings, and soft edge lighting that adjusts automatically when you step inside. Every surface feels premium, every reflection crisp, and then the journey continues forward toward the heart of control, the driver's cabin. It's not a cockpit, it's a command center, a place where luxury meets purpose. The curved digital dashboard spans across the console like an unbroken line of information, blending analog artistry with digital precision. The steering wheel, finished in leather with the illuminated Mercedes emblem, feels more like a sculpture than a control tool. Two ergonomic captain's chairs, wrapped in diamond-stitched black leather, sit high with panoramic visibility through the curved windshield. From this view, the world stretches endlessly, sky, road, and horizon converging into one cinematic frame. The sound insulation is perfect. All you hear is the faint hum of the hybrid engine, the rhythm of the tires against the highway, and your own heartbeat syncing with the machine. As it glides across the open road, the Mercedes motorhome feels alive. The active suspension system smooths out every bump, the air conditioning adjusts automatically to sunlight intensity, and the adaptive cruise control handles long drives with precision. You could drive for hours and feel as if time barely moved. The system uses an advanced AI travel assistant that plans routes, monitors battery and fuel levels, and even suggests rest stops or scenic views based on your preferences. When parked, the motorhome transforms again. Slide-out walls extend the lounge, retractable stairs descend silently, and rooftop solar panels unfold like mechanical pedals, powering the living quarters with renewable energy. The rear door opens into an optional compact terrace where you can sit and watch the horizon as the sky shifts from gold to violet. It's the kind of view that makes you forget the world for a moment, the kind of peace only Mercedes could engineer. It's not just a vehicle, it's an idea. A dream on wheels, designed for those who believe that travel shouldn't just be movement, it should be an experience, a story, a statement. This Mercedes-Benz luxury motorhome is estimated to cost around $3.8 million, but what it truly offers can't be priced. Freedom wrapped in luxury, power balanced by silence, and motion defined by RT.S. Well, the next time someone says, home is where the heart is, imagine your heart beating inside this, a moving masterpiece carrying the three-pointed star. Because when Mercedes builds a motorhome, it doesn't just build transportation. It builds emotion, precision, and the future of luxury travel, one breathtaking mile at a time.